Hey everyone, welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we're going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: faucet installation problems. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Installing a faucet may seem like a straightforward task, but it can quickly turn into a frustrating ordeal if problems arise. This guide aims to provide solutions to common faucet installation issues, helping you navigate through the process seamlessly. Common faucet installation problems and solutions. Leaking faucet. One of the most common problems faced during faucet installation is a leaking faucet. To address this issue, ensure all connections are tight and secure. Consider replacing the O-ring or seals if the leak persists. Low water pressure. If you are experiencing low water pressure after installing a faucet, the aerator may be clogged. Remove the aerator and clean out any debris to restore water flow. Incorrect fit. Sometimes faucets may not align properly with the sink or countertop, resulting in an incorrect fit. Make sure to measure carefully before installation and consider using a faucet deck plate to cover any gaps. Water temperature issues. If your faucet is not delivering water at the right temperature, check the hot and cold water supply lines. Ensure they are connected correctly and have not been reversed. Handle malfunction. If the faucet handle is loose or difficult to turn, the mounting nut may be loose. Tighten the nut using a wrench to secure the handle in place. Drainage problems. Problems with water drainage can occur if the drain is not properly aligned during installation. Adjust the drain assembly to ensure proper alignment and functioning. Corrosion buildup. Over time, mineral deposits and corrosion can build up inside the faucet, affecting its performance. Regularly clean the faucet with a mild solution of water and vinegar to prevent buildup. Water hammer. If you hear a loud banging noise when you turn off the faucet, you may be experiencing water hammer. Install a water hammer arrestor to absorb the shock and prevent damage to the plumbing system. By addressing these common faucet installation problems proactively, you can ensure a smooth and successful installation process. Remember to follow manufacturer instructions carefully and seek professional help if needed. With the right tools and knowledge, you can conquer any faucet installation challenge with ease. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on clear a faucet installation problems. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.